I had filed bankruptcy in the beginning of the year, and I had signed a reaffirmation agreement on my vehicle.
Okay.
And I've been, and so it was in the beginning of the year, and then it was discharged in March sometime. So I've been trying to deal with US Bank to get access to my account again in my online account. And every couple of weeks, I'd be calling and dealing with the bankruptcy department. Then they said my thing was finally closed out. I should have access to everything. And now it finally this week, after calling relentlessly, it showed up in my online account. So my question is, it's not showing up on my credit at all, which would be kind of my installment loan thing that I'm looking for. Is there a certain time period when that'll show back up in there or?
You're talking the reaffirmed car loan.
Yes. Yep.
So that's up and that's optional based on the lender, how they'll
Okay.
report it.
So it may not show up on the
It
credit.
no, sometimes it doesn't, but I wouldn't stress about it, right? I
Okay.
mean, I have people all the time on these calls ask regarding whether they should reaffirm or not. You reaffirm for a reason, right? Whatever your
Yeah.
attorney decided to do that on, but don't worry
Hmm.
about it from a credit perspective. You don't have to worry about
Okay.
that because
Yeah.
even if you reaffirmed in this example, the car loan started before the bankruptcy, right?
Hmm.
You're going to need a different installment line regardless,
Besides that one.
besides that one.
Okay.
Because the thing is, Jason, just like I mentioned early on, the banks want to see, are you establishing new credit after the bankruptcy?
Okay.
And a reaffirmation wouldn't be considered that.
Okay.
But
So
it's no big deal. No big deal.
what if I did a refinance on it? Like
Yeah,
got a new loan from somewhere else and paid off the US bank loan and
that
started
would work.
fresh?
That would work.
Okay.
Perfect example.
Okay.
Yeah, as long as it reports to the bureaus. Now, I wouldn't go out like do you have a good interest rate on this loan?
I think it's at 8%.
Okay. So let's just say you couldn't your refinance because your credit score is a little low is 15% or 12%.
Yeah,
I
I wouldn't
wouldn't
want to
pay.
do that.
I wouldn't pay. Yeah. Okay, good. I'm just
Yeah.
bringing it up because I hear a lot of people come to me and their whole focus is credit scoring and they miss certain things.